In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the Bluetooth settings on your new LG TV. So take your remote control, even if it does not look like this one, and you need to find the settings button. It's a cogwheel like that one. Maybe yours is different. If you do not see it, press the home button instead and go into the settings by pressing this icon over here. The settings menu will appear on the left side here, and we need to go down where it says all settings. Press OK. Go down and select sound. Select sound out and select use wireless speaker. Select Bluetooth device. And here it is. You have now turned on the Bluetooth settings on your LG Smart TV. The TV will automatically start searching for any Bluetooth device around it. So if you're trying to connect one of these Bluetooth speakers, it's time to put it in pairing mode so that the TV can actually see that device. And it will appear in the list here, and you'll be able to connect by selecting it. If no device is found during the first minute, you see the TV will stop searching. So you'll have to do it manually by selecting search, and then you'll be able to connect to your speaker or whatever other thing, headphones you're trying to connect. Once it's connected, you're gonna see the device in this list over here, and under the name of your device it will say if it's connected, disconnected, or other status. Mine is disconnected because my speaker is now turned off. But overall, this is it. This is how you turn on the Bluetooth settings on your LG Smart TV. Once you finish connecting, you can go ahead, close this, go and watch a movie, listen to some music, and you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.